Oh wow, happy birthday! That's special. So hello guys, welcome to my vlog today. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna open my birthday gift. Come on, hello Rihanna. That's my special visitor. Looks weird. You sit here.
Why do you do that?
Huh?
Why do you do this?
I gotta do the vlog.
Why do you do this?
Because it's my birthday.
Why are you doing this?
That's my habit. Yes.
The plastic bottles too. And I was like, oh, I don't have to always just recycle.
That's why I said remember. That's why you said remember this. I
That
didn't.
looks like a 90-year-old bag.
Really.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, Leah's back for his birthday.
So I said, so this is Jill's birthday. So she has a card from Leah. So okay.
If you're alone, I'll be your shadow. If you want to cry, I'll be your shoulder. If you want a hug, I'll be your pillow. If you need to be happy, I'll be your smile. But anytime you need a friend. What is Lill?
I'll be just.
I'll be just me. You might not be the only friend I have, but you are definitely the only friend I need. May this one or this one?
Yeah, this one.
May the sea surprise you with full joy and happiness.
Oh.
Happy birthday from Leah.
Yes, thank you. And we're gonna open the gift, huh?
Okay,
Here.
I am Jen.
Oh, maybe this is 90s. Oh wow, we're gonna have a pajama party. Oh.
They don't have a yellow color attract.
That's alright. I have one like this. Oh, ready for the pajama party.
Maybe,
Thank you.
Next is Mom's gift.
Okay.
Did you bring a gift?
And this one.
Yes.
And there's a card too. That's from you. Read that one,
you
please.
know what? That card made by Valda.
Really? Wow, the other day.
Happy birthday. I hope you have a great
Read it,
day.
Roper.
Okay. Happy birthday. I hope you have a great day today and the year ahead.
Oh, read properly, Liana.
Why should you drink it properly?
Happy birthday. I hope you have a great day today and the year ahead of. What is that?
Ahead. The year ahead is full.
Is full of many blessings.
Oh.
To die, Jen.
Oh,
To so happiness, laughter, and
Good food.
good food. And forever. That's not enough, but friends. Happy birthday. Again.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday again, my friend. Love,
Cherry berry.
Mama.
Cherry berry. Thank you. No, it's okay because every day is. Wow.
Wow.
It's gonna open this.
I wonder what it is.
Oh, yellow bird. Yellow. That's your favorite color too.
Oh, the bird.
Oh, all yellow. Thank you, Joy.
It's a cookie.
cookie too.
It's a cookie.
Yes, coffee for tea.
You can eat it.
Hmm?
You can eat it. It's a cookie.
Drink the coffee. It's tea. And there's more.
Oh wow.
Oh, I know. Did they get it in the winter? That's why they went there.
That's why I said to Manju, can you just take Jen?
You picking the other one.
Yeah, that's why I said
The other one, but they can go.
Ah, that's why when we went to the store. Thank you. Oh, yellow is live. Thank you very much.
you see me and Manju was talking.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Yeah, and I said,
And when you like said, let's go there, and said, I don't know where I'm gonna find. So obvious.
I was
Oh.
getting that. Oh, Jen might be, feel bad. It's alright.
One is Pandora. Thank you. Ooh, what's in here?
What's in here?
What are you copying me for?
I'm Jen.
Whoa, 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 whoa. It's alright.
No, get the yum.
Oh,
Jen is
wow. Another earrings. Thank you.
Family tray? Yeah.
So nice. Thank you. It's all my gifts.
You already turn it off.
Huh?
You say thank you very much.
No, it's on now. Wow. Happy birthday to me. Thank you. So there you go. Happy birthday. Thank you guys. Thank you. Beautiful.
Don't like
Friends.
and subscribe.
Why? Please
Why not?
like, comment, and subscribe. Big thumbs up. Not like that.
Nah, up. Rihanna.
Comment down below. You sing, Rihanna, you sing.
You sing, Rihanna, you sing.
Thank you, everyone.
The place, you know they have if you go to
Thank you, hubby, for the gift. Thank you, Minju. Thank you, Pauline. Makers, thank you all for your to you, Bobby. Happy birthday to you. I love you.